Hey there, TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee, guys. I got my man James with me today. Now, he just made the drive down here from West Virginia to pick up not just one, but two TMG pits. So we're gonna check out his 500 first. We'll get to his Fridge 48 in a minute. Now, he called us up and said, guys, I'm ready to upgrade. So he's got a barbecue business already, had a little bit smaller smoker, and he just didn't have enough room. So he upgraded, got a 500-gallon tank smoker from TMG on a trailer. So hey, let's check her out. Started with the smoker here. Now we did do our patina paint job on here. So this is just the original patina on this tank, guys. We clear coat it with an automotive clear coat finish. Open her up here. And you see on our 500s, he did add the counterweights on the doors. So we got those. You got full bottom racks in here and two sliding top racks. Of course, guys, you know we love that top shelf of TMG. So we're gonna throw that in there. We got 3 TMG Tell True thermometers on there. Now on our trailer, he did upgrade to those badass white wall wheels and tires with the Baby Moon hubcaps, the TMG logo in the center. This came out slick. Now on our trailer, guys, we do build all of our trailers in-house and we design them around your setup. So you tell us what we want and I'm gonna design that trailer to fit. All LED lights, of course. Got them at stainless steel, Smokin one for fun, custom logo on there. Come around the firebox here. Now, as y'all can tell, this is a big firebox right here, fully insulated. We've got 24-inch pipe on the inside, wrapped with insulation, and then we built an octagon on the outside. Look at that door right there, 3-inch insulated door. Got your air intake right there on the side. Come around the back side. Now, he wanted a little more prep room on the back, guys. So we got not just one, but 2 folding butcher block tops here. So you got plenty of wood storage underneath, prep on top, fold them up when you don't need them. And then we got more storage up front here. We also added a spare tire and an electric jack up front because y'all don't want to be sitting here cranking on your jack all day. You want to sit back, push a button, go up and down. So we got that for him. Guys, that is our TMG 500. Now let's check out this Fridge 48 behind me here. Now he's got a porch trailer. He's actually going to mount this on the back of his porch trailer. So let's check her out. You can see we did it on our caster frame and we made it a little bit taller so when he unbolts those casters, bolts into the trailer, it'll be right at the right height. Now, with all of our Fridge smokers, you do get 3 sliding trays. I said this is our 48. So you got 48 inches wide, 24 inches deep. Now, this is a reverse flow smoker. So you do have removable reverse flow plates down the bottom. You can pick them up out of there, makes it easier to clean. A lot of cook room in this unit. These are a really great option for a porch trailer, guys. And as you can see, he did have us put the firebox and the hot box all front facing. So that way you don't have to walk over to the side. It's all on the same side. You got 4 sliding trays in this deal. Same hot box, runs completely independent from the smoke chamber. So you can be running at 2 different temperatures at once. And he did upgrade to the insulated firebox as well. You still got your fire management cradle down in there. 1-inch ball valve grease train, of course. Guys, that is this Fridge 48. We're about to get James loaded up and send him back home. Hey guys, y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.